welcome back to my channel Lookatstyles. So guys, in this video I'm going to start a DIY series in which I'm going to make different skincare and makeup products that you can store. So the first product of my DIY series is a DIY matte lip color. So let's begin with our hashtag DIY series beginning. Firstly, you're gonna need an empty bowl in which you're gonna add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, then you're gonna need half teaspoon of glycerine, then you need 2 tablespoons of Vaseline, then some baby oil, after adding the baby oil, I am going to mix this mixture. Now I am going to add some eyeshadow to it to give the color to the lip color. I'm going to add pink color to it because I want my lip color to be of pink color. You can add any color of your choice. I want it to be of darker color, so I'm going to mix some colors to it. After mixing it really well, it will look like this. You can see. Now I'm going to add some BB cream. You can also add some foundation to it to give it a matte look. And now I'm going to mix it again. Now I'm going to add some BB powder to it. You can also add some loose powder or compact powder. Now I'm going to mix it really well. So guys, after mixing it out, I have put it into a container. Now I'm going to show you guys how does it looks like. So it looks like this. It's a very nice color. I hope you can see it out. So yes guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel Lookatstyles. Till then, bye guys.